Want to enjoy latest goodie from your Mi Pad 4? Install Developer ROM then. It has newer stuff and updated weekly compared to normal stable ROM. How to install it? Simple. First of all, download Developer ROM in zip format. Put it at internal storage, root level. Then go to Settings, select MIUI version on top. Bring up Menu selection, then select Choose Update Package. Select the downloaded zip ROM then. Select Erase and Update. Yes, everything will be deleted. Do your backup first, then press it one more time. Mi Pad 4 will be rebooted and will start new ROM installation then. After that, your tablet will be loaded with new MIUI setup configuration on Developer ROM now. Just scroll through them will do. That's all for now. I will see you again. Peace.